Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Great Sight Great Height. And today in this video, I am going to discuss about the human brain. It is one of the most important part of our human body. So let's get started. Human brain is a very unique and an important factor of a human body. The function of the brain is little complex, but it's not so complex as it looks like. To understand the brain in a very clear manner, we need to understand the structure of brain. So let's start the structure of brain. Structure of brain is very simple. It's not so complex as it looks like. As the brain is very important part, so it has to be protected with many protective layers. The brain is protected with in total 4 protective layers. The first one is the skull that we can touch or feel. It is one of the most hardest substance that covers the brain. Then comes the dura mater. Dura mater is a muscle-like structure that forms a layer beneath the skull. And then comes the arcuate matter, and after that the pia mater is the last one. There are in total 4 protective layers of the brain. Then the cerebrum of the brain comes. What is cerebrum? Brain is divided into in total 3 parts. The upper brain is known as forebrain or cerebrum. The middle one is called midbrain, and the third one is known as hindbrain. The uppermost part is the largest part of human brain. It is the most complex, or you can say specialized part of the brain. It's the cerebrum. What are the functions? Let us see now. The functions of cerebrum. It is the thinking part of brain. Whatever we think, whatever we imagine is done by cerebrum or forebrain, you can say. Then controls the voluntary action. Voluntary action means whatever we do by our own. Beating someone, eating food, anything like that we are doing by ourselves is controlled by forebrain. Stores information, memory, the most important part. Whatever we remember, the informations are stored in forebrain. Then receives sensory impulses from various parts. For example, mosquito bite. How did you know mosquito is biting? Because the sensory impulses comes to your brain and you get to know that yes, mosquito is biting me. Then hunger, feeling of hunger. You are feeling hungry. How did you know you are feeling hungry? Did you check your stomach? No, you got to know because the feeling of hunger comes to your mind and you can understand, and that is also done by cerebrum. So cerebrum is one of the most important part of human brain. Then comes the midbrain, the middle part of the brain. Although the middle part and the last part, hindbrain, has similar functions. Their functions are quite similar. The similarity is they controls the involuntary actions that are carried on in our body. Involuntary actions means the actions that are carried by itself. They are conducted by themselves, such as you can say blood pressure, heartbeat, you can say digestive system, circulatory system. These all are done by themselves. We don't do them. We don't give the command. The brain gives the command to them and they are functioning. We don't have any contributions in those. Now the functions of midbrain, as I told, and hindbrain are similar. So the hindbrain has 3 parts. The hindbrain is also having 3 parts. Number 1 is cerebellum, number 2 is medulla, and number 3 is pons. Cerebellum, it controls the posture and balance. You are writing in a fine, perfect manner, maintaining a perfect height, perfect distance. You are writing something. How did you write so perfectly? That is maintained by hindbrain. Not only writing but standing in a correct posture, sitting in a correct posture, balancing your body is all controlled by hindbrain. And medulla, function of medulla is to control involuntary actions such as vomiting, blood pressure, salivation are controlled by medulla. Then pons, involuntary actions such as respiration is controlled by pons. So different involuntary actions are being maintained by different parts of the brain. Now the midbrain has a similar functions like hindbrain. It also controls the involuntary actions. So we have studied about the functions of different parts of the brain. And at last, the most important message that I want to give you is The right part of the brain controls the left part of your body, and the left part of your brain controls the right part of your body. So that's all for today. See you on the next video. Till the time, goodbye.